Tehran has revealed what it calls an underground missile city, although it has withheld the location, making it difficult to independently assess how vulnerable the facility may be to US or Israeli strikes. Iran's regular army has also displayed combat and reconnaissance drones inside underground bases, including systems that state media says remain available for military operations. The footage is designed to show that US and Israeli strikes have not eliminated Iran's older but still usable drone, missile, and naval weapons inventory. Iran's continued ability to support the Houthis is a major concern for Saudi Arabia, whose Red Sea energy routes have faced repeated threats and attacks from the Iran-aligned group. Amid the continuing US war with Iran, Tehran has released fresh footage intended to showcase the depth and protection of its underground drone and weapons facilities. Footage circulated by the Geopolitics account on X reportedly showed Kaman-12 unmanned aerial vehicles positioned inside an Iranian underground military facility. The drones were seen lined up inside a fortified tunnel, before one UAV reportedly launched and accelerated through the enclosed passageway. The Kaman-12 is described by Iranian sources as the Iranian Army's first combat drone, designed and produced by specialists from the country's air force. Iran says the Kaman-12 can conduct combat operations using point-to-point missiles, while also supporting electronic warfare and reconnaissance missions. Iran's Kaman-12 drone has an overall length of approximately 5.4 meters, making it a relatively compact, unmanned aircraft. The drone has a wingspan of about 10 meters, providing the lift needed for long-endurance reconnaissance and combat operations. Its empty weight is estimated at around 220 kilograms before fuel, sensors, communications equipment, or weapons are added. The Kaman-12 can carry a payload of up to 100 kilograms, which may include surveillance systems, electronic warfare equipment, or guided munitions. Its maximum takeoff weight is about 450 kilograms, including the drone's airframe, fuel load, payload, and mission systems. At sea level, the Kaman-12 can reportedly reach a maximum flight speed of around 200 kilometers per hour. The drone's stall speed is approximately 90 kilometers per hour, the minimum speed required to maintain stable flight. It has an operating radius of roughly 1,000 kilometers, allowing it to conduct missions far beyond its launch site. The Kaman-12 has a reported one-way range of up to 2,000 kilometers, depending on fuel, payload, and mission profile. Its radio line-of-sight control range is approximately 100 kilometers, limiting direct operator control without relay or autonomous navigation support. The Kaman-12 can remain airborne for around 10 hours during a standard mission, giving it substantial persistence for surveillance or strike roles.